Hello viewers, so do you know how to work out the advanced mathematics operation? So here is an example that I'm having 12 divided by 4 plus 15 multiplied by 3, then all of them into the bracket squared multiplied by 32 divided by 4. So I want us to work out this one step by step. So if you know how to work it out, you can comment your answers on the comment section so that you can confirm the answers that you've got. So we can kickstart with the solution. So let's begin with the solution. So let us watch this video. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. So we have 12 there, then divide by 4 plus 15 multiply by 3. Then we've said that all of these ones is squared, then multiply by 32 divide by 4. So how are we going to approach this particular problem? So let's now begin with the signs for the division. So anywhere that is division, let's work it out. Like for example, you can check that here is a bracket. So let's begin by working out the bracket first. So now we shall have 12 divided by 4. So and 12 divided by 4. So this one is equals to 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then now 3 plus 15. There we write 15. Then multiply by 3. Then still into bracket squared. Then multiply by 32 divide by 4. So the secret to this particular problem is to work it out step by step process. So now here in this bracket, now you can find that we've already done with the division. So the next sign, you're not supposed to have 3 plus 15, because when you work out 3 plus 15 you'll get it as 18. Then now 18 then times 3 again, you not have worked it out properly. So the best thing that you're supposed to do here, now this we are going to skip this 3, so we just say to bracket then 3 plus, then you make sure now you work out 15 times 3 first, because after division there now comes the multiplication. So work out 15 times 3, and 15 times 3 is 45. So now we shall have our 45 there, then still into bracket, then you put squared. So how are we going to proceed? So we move to the next and we combine this and say multiply by 32 divide by 4. So you can see how it is best for us to follow the order step by step, because some people might mess up in this stage whereby they'll add it 3 plus 15, then they shall get 18, then from there they shall put 18 multiplied by 3, and they won't even get 45, or they won't even get 48. So those ones are the mistakes that people do when they're working out advanced operations like these ones. So let's proceed to the next. So we're still on the bracket. So the next one we are going to say 3 plus 45. So there now we shall get 48. Then now we shall have 48 squared. Then from there, still the sign for multiplication, we shall have multiplication. Then from that one now we shall have 32 divided by 4. So 32 divided by 4. So now you can check, we are now on the 48 squared, then multiply by 32 divided by 4. So I want us to now move to the division sign to this other side now, so that now after working out this side, now we shall revisit this particular part. So let's proceed to our next. So now here we shall move to our next step, where now we shall say that we shall have 48, then now 48 squared. After having the 48 squared, then we multiply by, now we shall have 32 divided by 4, and 32 divided by 4, we shall get our answer as 8. Sorry for not displaying that part here. So we shall have now 48 squared, then times 32 divided by 4, we shall get it as 8. So now we shall proceed to the next level and say that 48 squared is like now having 48 multiplied by 48, like that. Then now from there, now I believe let's put this one into bracket, because 48 multiplied by 48 represents the 48 squared. Then times times this 8 here now. So now we are moving on to the next. So we're not supposed just to multiply 8 by 48 by 48 directly. No, we are supposed to multiply 48 by 48. And 48 by 48 here, when you multiply, the answer is, so 48 times 48, I believe now you've worked it. So we shall have 2304. Now we shall have 2304 multiplied by 8. So what is 2304 multiplied by 8? So our final answer will be 18,432. So that is why we call it the advanced order of operations. So I believed you've got it that way and you've worked it that way. So if this video have added value to you, please remember to subscribe and also like the video, as that is the only way I feel motivated and I keep on bringing for you these educational videos. So let's stop there and be checking the channel. See you in our next video.